Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. I'm hoping that you're doing great. So we can see that this is December, the first day of December. I hope that you have tools to eat, guys. Around this season, things sometimes tends to be slower, and at the same time, we think we actually need to have those signals or those indicators that can actually help us to eat when we are actually going to spend much. Especially January is going to be tough for most. So just get ready, especially if you call yourself a trader. So you have to have tools. So before I go on the analysis, I will try to show you the tools that I have. This is an indicator, so I don't really have to wait for maybe to do some analysis because sometimes I don't really have much time. So I can just plug the system and very quick I already get this the signals. So for those who want the system, it's actually $149 if you are not part of our team. If you are part of the team, it's actually 110. Actually, this price is going to be scratched this week, so we're going back. Everyone should pay the same price, you see. So if you want the system, you will just let me know. So what's really happening this week or this coming week? We can see that we have some serious economic news. On Friday, we have NFP. We will start with that, right? So going and checking other ones, you will see that we have manufacturing PMI, which is tomorrow, job openings, Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have service PMI and Powell is going to speak. On Thursday, unemployment. So this week is going to be very, very, very important because we are about to close this year. I hope you're going to close this year on a positive note and making some profits here and there. Sometimes people, they just want to trade, but they don't really want to invest their time into this, or they don't really want to give like everything to make it actually in trading, you see. So sometimes you're lazy to learn, you just want the shortcuts and stuff like that. At the end of the day, you will say Forex is not working or trading is not really working, you see. So by the way, let's go straight to our analysis. This is weekly analysis. We are on GBP USD, just like what I see here. This is a very proper uptrend structure. We can see that the market is respecting this levels. I think I did send a signal in the group, so this might be a very nice swing trade, especially with this nice aggressive sell. So obviously the market has to do what? The market has to reverse going further, but the market might take time to reach that level. I hope you see that. So we are on uptrend on GBP USD. So yeah, let's see what's really happening. Let's go straight to our DXY and see what's really happening. Mostly we start here. So on dollar index, this helps us to understand what's really happening. We saw GBP USD going up. It was here when we saw the dollar going a little bit lower, but it's coming back towards this resistance area, which is going to be the support area. On top, we already have an area that we can call a resistance, so maybe the market will just play around there before we see what that's going to push up, or maybe we're going to go back on our previous downtrend. But at the moment, we just need to wait. Remember, Friday we have an FP. So last month we had like 12K jobs. So this month, I don't think we're going to go below that. So which means I will be looking for a very nice buy from USD. So I will be trading those news. Obviously, that I think is going to be a obvious decision or choice to take a buy. I'm not saying people they should go and buy. I think it's just going to be obvious that we're not going to get less than 12K jobs on NFP. Right, so yeah, on this DXY, I think maybe later on during the week we might see the market going higher, or maybe the market might start to sell a little bit before Friday, and I think that will be a very good thing. We will be waiting. This time it's Friday, we need to make some money, so I will be waiting for NFP. As I also trade the news, guys. We trade the news. So if you trade the news, sometimes you can see some simpler opportunities that you need to take. So you have to take that. But if you don't trade the news, it's also fine. You can trade technicals, but I think it's way much better when you trade technicals. Make sure you have tools that can actually assist you. So now we are on gold, guys. Gold actually moved very nice. You can see we smashed that, so I will have to take that one out. So I'm expecting to see the market continuing with this nice bullish move. You see that? So I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. And what I like here is we see that the market is going towards that support, and we see every time once the market touches the support, we see a bounce back, unless if maybe the market tries to break out. But at the moment, we are still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside, which means I'm still very, very, very bullish on gold, right? So let's push straight to US30. If you still remember, Thursday, Friday, Thanksgiving in the US, so the market was quite slow, and we saw the market stuck where it was still on Wednesday around this level. So the market did not really do anything. So maybe this week it's where we are going to see some serious moves on US30. Already you can see that this is actually on an aggressive bullish structure. You can see that I've been showing you this for quite some time. So I'm expecting to see that a continuation, but where we are actually on this resistance. Maybe the market might reverse. I'm expecting that to reverse, you see. So maybe the market might reverse here, which is something that I will actually like. Maybe this area might stick, and maybe we will see a nice reversal, or I think the market will have to go even lower so that we can see a proper buy. At the moment, we can say the market is overbought. But just because the market is overbought, it doesn't really mean the market is forced to sell. If things are performing, if the companies are performing very well in US30, there is no other chance. The market will just continue going higher. But what we know is along the way, yes, we have to see the market reversing here and there. I hope that makes sense. So now let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq 100. So I also did trade this one, but I got out very early on, I think it was Wednesday and Friday. Oh, I think it was Thursday. So here we can see that this is a continuation of this bullish move. So the market has been pushing up for quite some time. You see that. So, but what we have here, we have this internal structure. But at the end of the day, even if it's an internal structure, we can see that the market created a nice support area. Do you see that? So this support area shows us that the market is willing to push the upside. Do you see that? So where we are now, we can see that the market pushed up. I think this is also a very proper support area if we draw something like that. So it's up to the market to break out of this, or maybe the market will play around. But I think since we're gonna have NFP on Friday, and I think we're going to see a stronger dollar, I think we will see some serious sell, or maybe the market will like that. Maybe the market will just play around here, but I'm expecting to see a nice reversal here before we get another proper push to the upside. So we don't really have to make this very long, guys, but for those who want the system, just know that it's actually 149 signal indicator 149. For new members, if you already a member, it's actually 110. Then WhatsApp me or Telegram me, then you will get the system. We're talking about this one. So you can just throw everything there. You will get immediate signal. So it doesn't really take time to load the signal. So you can just enjoy. And this can be maybe your gift for this December, so that you can also you can be like working next door. Ne? So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to be part of the team, scan that QR code, then we can talk. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.